Hi everybody, I'm here for a quick little video. I recently had a video where I shared the unboxing and swatching of my new Nevskaya Palitra by St. Petersburg Watercolors. These are the Bieli Noci, and this is the 12 set. But I got something new in the mail today. Let me close that up. I ordered 4 of the newer colors to the St. Petersburg line. And this one right here, if I can get rid of the glare, is the Quinacridone Rose or Magenta. This one is the, I'll try to get rid of the glare, the Quinacridone Lilac. This is the Paynes Gray. And the last one that I have right here is the Quinacridone Violet Rose. So I got a rose, a lilac, a violet rose, and a Paynes Gray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these down in my wonderful Canson watercolor book, and I'm also going to put them in my palette and swatch them on the Canson paper and swatch them on the Midori paper so you can see exactly what they look like on 2 mediums you might use. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so here I'm in the process of unwrapping the little full palettes of paints, and I'm commenting that they look like they are chocolate. So here is the first one, and I'm setting that aside, and here's the second one. One of the reasons why I purchased these is my husband and I have been on a weight loss journey, and here I'm showing the underneath. Since I bought these as single palettes, they have a slightly different pan that they're in, where it actually has the label kind of embedded in it. But what I was saying before is I decided to treat myself to these 4 colors because for the last 2 months we have been doing the Weight Watchers, or I guess it's WW now since it's changed. That one's the Paynes Gray, which is a beautiful color. But I decided, since I'd lost, actually as of today, 32 pounds, I decided to treat myself to 4 watercolors that I didn't have. So I've got these 4 beautiful colors here. Okay, here we are back to see what these beautiful colors look like. And I'm going to put them right next to each other. So, actually, I need a paper towel. The first one we're going to look at is the Quinacridone Rose, and that's this beautiful color here. Ooh, it's going to look like a magenta. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Quinacridone Rose. I'm very thankful that I have that in my collection now. Okay. Let me clear off my water brush. Now the next one we have here is Quinacridone Lilac. So you can see I got 4 of the newest Quinacridone colors, and these are a new thing to the St. Petersburg White Nights line. Ooh, look at that. That's a beautiful, beautiful lilac purpley color. Let me put that in my palette. Gorgeous. Now let's do the last of the Quinacridones. This is the Quinacridone Violet Rose, and what I do is I write on the side of and these are whole pans. These are whole pans. I paid $3.45 for a whole pan, which is so much cheaper than my, like this right here is the Duochrome Blue in the Daniel Smith watercolors, and this I think I paid like $5 or $6 for just this little half pan. Same thing with this one, which is a Prussian blue. So I'm loving the fact that I'm getting a whole pan of watercolor, and this will last, the whole pan will last me a couple of years at least. And this is the Quinacridone Violet Rose, and this one I haven't seen, so I'm kind of, oh, look how beautiful that is. That is the Quinacridone Violet Rose. And then the last one we have here is the Paynes Gray, and I'm wanting to get some Paynes Gray ink for my fountain pens. I'm wanting to be a little more, I want to get the Noodlers. Ooh, look at that. You can see the lovely pink undertones in there. Look how gorgeous that is. Now, what we're also going to do, since this is the Canson watercolor paper, what we're going to do is we're also going to swatch these. Let me move them out of the way. Let me set them there so they can dry. We're going to, let me cover that because I have no idea what's on there. We're going to swatch these on, this is a Midori insert. This is an actual Midori insert that I got from one of my Traveler's Factory notebooks, and it actually says Midori. Now they say like TFC, Traveler's Factory Company, but this is an old one that I've had for quite some time. So I probably should have done these at the same time, but I didn't. Oh well. So here is that first one that we did. Oop, I need a little bit more water. Let's see how that, oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm totally drawing a blank. Which one is that? That is the Quinacridone Rose. Gorgeous color. Now, we're going to try the Quinacridone Lilac, and I'm going to do the same sort of a type of swatch. So we have a little bit thicker. And here, let me get some water to see how it, ooh, that is a gorgeous color, that lilac. Okay, now the next one is the Quinacridone Violet Rose. And this one looks like a beautiful color for, you know, drawing roses and other flowers. Look how beautiful that is. And this is on the Midori paper, so it's not a Tomoe River paper. It has a little bit more tooth to it than the Tomoe River paper. Now here is the Paynes Gray. Here, let me get a little. So there's kind of like bluey, pinky, reddy undertones to it, and that is a beautiful color. So here's what they look like next to their little labels. So we had up here the Quinacridone Rose, Quinacridone Lilac. This is the Quinacridone Violet Rose, and that is the Paynes Gray. And here is what they look like on the Midori paper. Quinacridone Rose, or some people call it magenta, Quinacridone Violet, Quinacridone Rose, or Violet Rose, and then that's the Paynes Gray. So I have already added them into my original 24 palette. Here they are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't locked them in place yet, and I'm not sure exactly where I want to put them. Maybe rearrange my colors to get them in the right spot so that I can do a brand new color swatch for in here. So I just wanted to share with you a quick look, and I'm probably going to order about 4 a month until I get all of the new sets. So we're at 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I have 29 of the 66 possible colors. So we're going to go for about 4 a month for the next few months until we're at all of the 66 colors. Okay, I will link down below the Etsy store where I bought these individuals colors from. They also sell like the 24 set, the 48 set, the maybe the 36 set and the 12 set. And they're just beautiful, beautiful watercolors. And as you can see, they work and blend so well. And look, the Paynes Gray is granulating. Very, very, very cool. Okay, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.